In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Salesforce to Google Sheets using a seamless one-click integration process. The entire tutorial should only take about 5 minutes, perfect for those of you who are juggling multiple tasks and need efficient solutions that don't compromise on clarity or efficacy. First things first, let's install the Salesforce Connector add-on within Google Sheets. This add-on serves as the bridge between Salesforce and Google Sheets, enabling you to effortlessly import your Salesforce data directly into the spreadsheet without the hassle of manual data entry, ensuring accuracy and saving precious time. Start by opening Google Sheets on your browser. Once you have the sheet in front of you, navigate to the Extensions tab at the top of the page. Click on Add-ons and then select Get Add-ons. In the search bar that appears, type in Salesforce Connector and press Enter. The search result will show you the connector we are looking for. Select it and follow the on-screen prompts to install it. This process is straightforward, but if prompted, remember to grant necessary permissions to allow Salesforce and Google Sheets to communicate effectively. After the installation is complete, you'll need to log in with your Salesforce credentials. This step is crucial as it authorizes the connector to access your Salesforce account and import the data securely. Enter your Salesforce credentials when prompted. Ensure your login information is correct to proceed smoothly. Incorrect credentials will halt the integration process. Next, it's time to dive into the actual data. Within Google Sheets, click on Data at the top menu, then go to Salesforce, and from the drop-down menu, select either Reports or Queries. This action sets the stage for selecting exactly what information you want to pull into your Google Sheet. Now choose the specific Salesforce object or report you wish to connect with. This step is particularly powerful because it allows you to pinpoint and import the precise data sets you need, whether it's focusing on sales figures, customer inquiries, or any other data stored within Salesforce. Be precise with your selection to streamline the data import process. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click on Get Data. Watch as your Salesforce data begins to load directly into your Google Sheet. This real-time data integration means that your spreadsheet is not just a static page of data, it's a live document that updates in tandem with your Salesforce records, and there you have it. A quick and efficient way to connect Salesforce with Google Sheets. This integration not only saves time, but also enhances your ability to analyze and manipulate Salesforce data with all the tools and formulas that Google Sheets offers. For anyone looking to make data-driven decisions with ease, this method is a game changer.